I want to get this back in the car now so I can get this car to the customer, so that way, you know, I can get paid. Maybe I can get lead. Probably not that. It's Ticket Black. It's hard to get nowadays. None of nobody's business, but keep things relevant. Let's get this damn exhaust back in the goddamn car. Let's go. Leekautorepair. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. So this is a 2017 Buick LaCrosse. I believe they only made one engine for it, if I can remember. The 3.6, if they made others, just correct me, turbo. I don't know, but from my knowledge, it's 3.6. So this one came in sounding like just left NASCAR pit. And when I say that, the exhaust is extremely loud. Now, due to cold, you know, extreme temps outside, it's frigid out there. I don't want to start this up in here and then I'll just suffocate from the exhaust. And I had turned off my heater. I got a little torch, a little torpedo thingy, little propane heater set up with 2 electric heaters on the side to help maintain when I turn it off. So all in all, what I'm saying is I ain't turning on this car because it's cold. So you just got to use your imagination. So I got it set up on a lift. I ain't going to bring it up in the air, and we'll just check out the exhaust and we'll just figure out the remedy if I can repair it. If not, do I need to take it to an exhaust shop? I was thinking about going to the Poconos to my boy Prep to see if he can do it. It just depends on my time framing and this, if I can get it done today. I want it done today. I want it going because I got to move on. I got other work. So make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe and follow me on Instagram, all that good shit. And hit that like button. Underneath this car, and obviously we can see what was already what the problem is. So for number one, this is called the front pipe. This well, you can call it a Y pipe, but it's 2 pipes that join both of the catalytic converters together. We can call them a front pipe or a Y pipe, or some like to say a flex pipe because they're flex pipes, 2 flex pipes in between the pipe in from one end to another. So looks like this one, if I'm gonna stick my hand up in here, from my knowledge, just from my experience, looked like it was cut. Rather, somebody was trying to cut the catalytic converter off, because there is a thing. And in Philly, we're just people just cutting off cats because that's just what they do. And I got hit before, and this is what it looked like. Now this cut is clean. When I say clean, the flange on a cat is gone and the flange on a pipe is gone. So how do I fix a problem like this? Well, luckily this pipe separates from right at here at this section with 2 bolts, and then I got the manifold itself integrated with the catalytic converter that I'll have to remove and get this welded, make my markings and get this welded in place, and then this car is out the door. But do not cut off your flanges. That is not a good thing, because one-piece exhausts are hard to work on, only because just maneuvering purposes and capabilities are a lot slim. You wanted the exhaust to be broken down if needed. All right, legally got an issue, so taking this pipe off, my exhaust studs took a crap. So my next move is I'm gonna grab my 4-inch cutter and I'm gonna cut it flush and then heat it up some. a little bit, and I'm gonna split the sides of it, both sides, and just enough so that way I can punch it out with an air hammer. Got it out, pain in the ass. So let's get to the exhaust place and have them weld this, because if they don't do it, I will take my ass to Harbor Freights and get a welder and bird shit the hell out of it to get it done. Let's get it done. So I just came back from the I went to a place that fabricated, like doing like custom exhaust. So gave me a nice deal on it, and it's easy for me to bring it to him rather than, he said it was easier this way. I don't see why would I brought him the whole car, but I marked where it needed to be. I made him some like alignment marks and everything, so it worked out cool. So the welds, it's like perfect. I don't want to, sorry, can we see? Ooh, those welds are good. Those welds look good. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, he did a good job. I want to get this back in the car now so I can get this car to the customers, so that way, you know, I can get paid. Maybe I could get lead. Probably not that. It seems like it's hard to get nowadays. None of nobody's business, but keep things relevant. Let's get this damn exhaust back in the goddamn car. Let's go. You see that mess right there? Oh my God. It got ugly. It got ugly, and I ended up cutting things. Let's walk closer so we can see. Got got the jigsaw, the circular cutter, got the air hammer, a couple other goodies to drill. So let me show you what I did. So basically, I had made a slit right in between there because it was very hard to get out. It's like mushing the boat up after a while from heating it up. So basically I made a split just to, so it can lose its integrity, and then I drove it out with the air hammer, and I did that to those pair of bolts on that flange. And then the right there, that new bolt, I had to put a new one in there because I had to do the same thing, which is make two slits again on a flange and then drill air hammer them out. Some reason GM and their boats, I did heat it up and it did not come out. I don't have acetylene, but I do got MAP gas, and usually that works. So if we could look up here, if you can see that weld, kind of can see it a little bit. Looks good, right? So there was a misconception on my part, and I know I said that might have been a flange or something there. The flange is right there, but the issue is it had separated off of the cat. Now, like I said, someone in Philly, they cut them off, so the cut was clean. So I felt like somebody went in there and attempted to hack this cat out and just gave up in between. So we Gucci. All right. So the car is going. You don't see it behind me, right? It was nothing else to talk about. It's that cold outside. I don't want to be parlay doing this whole extra nonsense. I don't have to. So the car's going. Use your imagination. It's done. It is quiet. Damn near sounds like a hybrid, even though it's not. So I'm about to load it up on a trailer and then get it back to its owner. And then I'm going to put my car in here and I'm going to get out of here. So Leekautorepair, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And I got some more goodies for y'all.